On this video today, I'm going to show you how you can make money with CPA marketing. This strategy is very simple, and the best part is that you can use it to make money from wherever you are in the world. As you can see, these are my results. You can see I've got 7,379 views. You can see the clicks, I got 427. You can see the leads, I got 152. And you can see this is the amount that I've made. So what I'm going to do is that I'm also going to show you how you can make this money wherever you are in the world. So make sure you keep on watching till the end, so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. Now let's get into the details. The first step is that you have to create an account with a CPA network. You can use CPA Lead, you can use CPA Build, or you can use Max Bounty. In this video, what I'm going to do is that I'm going to be using CPA Grip. So once you create your accounts on CPA Grip, what you have to do is that you have to scroll down right here. Once you scroll down, you can see right here Offer Tools. Click on it. Once you click on Offer Tools, you're going to click on My Offers. Once you click on My Offers, you're going to see a page like this. So when I scroll down, you can see these are offers that you can promote to make money from home. You can see this offer right here. The payout is $1.66. So anytime you get a lead, that is the amount that you are going to be paid. You can see a lot of different offers that you can promote. But when you come right here, you can see the country is United Kingdom. So it means you have to promote the offers to people in the United Kingdom so that they can complete them for you to make money. So you have to get a traffic source in the United Kingdom. If you don't have a traffic source, what you have to do is that you have to click right here. Once you click on it, you can select any country that you want so that you can get offers in that country to promote. So as I scroll, you can see many countries that you can select and then find offers that you can promote in that country. You can see many countries. In this case, what we are going to do is that we are going to promote offers in the United States, because that is where I found a free traffic that you can use to make money without investing anything. So just search for United States right here. Once you search for United States, you can see it right here. Click on it. Once you click on it, you can see the offers are loading, so you are going to wait. You can see these are the offers that you can promote to people in the United States so that they can enter the requirements for you to make money. You can see a whole lot of different offers. You can see many of them. So now what we have to do is that we have to find offers that have a higher payout. When you compare this offer to this one right here, you can see this one, you are going to be earning $2.31 per every lead that you get. This one you are going to be getting $1.45 per every lead that you get. So we are going to be promoting this one because this one has a higher payout as compared to this one and the rest of the offers. So now once you have found the offer, what you have to do is that you have to look at the requirements. You can see right here, this is the requirement: email or zip submit. So it means your potential visitors have to enter their emails or zip codes so that they can stand the chance of winning $750. So once they enter the details, whether they win the offer or not, you are still going to be paid $2.31. You can see the devices. The offer is allowed on Android, it is allowed on Apple iOS, it is allowed on desktop. So any of the devices that our potential visitors are using, they can click on our link and then complete the offer for us to make money. Once you have selected the offer, the next step is that you are going to click on it so that you can get your affiliate link. So just click on the name of the offer. Once you click on the name of the offer, you can see this is your affiliate link. You can see the one right here. This offer is only allowed on Android in the United States. Once you click right here, you can see a lot of different tracking domains that you can select. When you come right here, you can see this is your payout. You can see this is the requirement, and you can see the title of the offer right here. So now what we are going to be doing is that we are going to drive traffic from the United States so that we can get people to click on our link and then complete the offer for us to make money. So now what I'm going to do is that I'm going to show you a hidden method that you can use to get free traffic from the United States so that you can get a lot of people to enter the requirements for you to make money. The next step is that you are going to come on Google and then search for Google Bot AI. Once you search for it, you are going to see a page like this. Click on the first link. Once you click on it, you can see it has opened, so you can enter a prompt right here so that it will write whatever that you want. Google Bot is just like ChatGPT. It is capable of answering questions with high accuracy just like humans. So you can enter anything that you want right here so that it will write it for you. If you have a question, you can type it here and it's going to provide you an accurate answer. And the best part is that it is free, so you can just search for Google Bot AI. Once you search for it, you can begin to use it for free. In this case, what we are going to be doing is that we are going to use it to write an article. So we are going to write an article about how to make money blogging. So we can type our prompt right here. Just type something like 10 ways to make money blogging, something like this. 10 ways to make money blogging. Once you type your prompt, you are going to click right here, submit, so that it can write the answer for you. As you can see, it is spinning. It is going to generate the answers. As you can see, this is the answer that it has generated. So when you scroll down, you can see the answers, you can see everything. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to publish this article so that we can use it to drive traffic to our affiliate link, so that we can get people to enter the required details for us to make money with CPA marketing. The next step is that you're going to search for Google site. Once you search for it, click on the first link right here. Once you click on it, you're going to see a page like this. Google site is a free platform that you can use to publish your articles online. You don't need to pay for anything. Everything is hosted by Google and is free. So what we are going to do is that we are going to create a new blog. If you want, you can use any of the templates, but in this case we are not going to use any template. So just click on blank so that you can start a new blog. Once you click on blank, we are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to type your title right here. So just come back, highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to come back, just highlight it. Once you highlight it, we are going to paste your text right here. As you can see, that has been done. You can see your text right here. Just highlight it and then customize it. You can change the color of the text. Let's change it to yellow. Once that is done, you can increase the font size of the text. So you can increase it to any font that you want. As you can see, that is too large, so let's reduce it to 30. I think that is okay. So let's drag it this way. You can see that is our title. Once that is done, you are going to give a name to your site. So just type any name like money blog, something like this, money blog. Once that is done, you are going to paste an image in the background right here. So to paste an image, you are going to click right here, image. Once you click on it, you are going to click on select. Once you click on select, you are going to click right here, search, so that you can search for any image on Google that you want. Once you click on that, you are going to type money. Once you type it, click search. Once you click on search, you can see money images that you can use. You can see a lot of them. So any of the images that you want, you can select. In this case, I'm going to use this one right here. So just click on it. Once you select it, click right here, select, so that it can replace the background right here. As you can see, that has been done, but you can see the text is not visible. So what we have to do is that we have to change the color of the text. So just highlight it, click right here. You can select the appropriate color that you want. As you can see, that has been done. Once you design the header of your blog, the next step is that you are going to click right here, text box. Once you click on it, you can paste your text right here. So the next step is that we are going to copy the subheading and then paste it right here. Just highlight and copy the subheading, highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy it, you are going to paste your subheading right here. As you can see, that has been done. If you want, you can highlight it and then increase the font size the way you want. So just increase it. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to paste your points right here. To paste the points, you are going to click right here, text box. Once you click on it, you are going to come back and then highlight the point. Just highlight it. Once you highlight it, copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. If you want, you can highlight the point and then make it bold. As you can see, that has been done. So once this is done, the next step is that we are going to insert the image of the offer that we are promoting right here, so that we can get people to click on our link and then complete the offer for us to make money. So you are going to come back on CPA Grip. Once you come back on CPA Grip, you are going to download the image of the offer. So just right click on the image, select save image as, so that you can save the image onto your device. So just click on save. Once you save the image, the next step is that you are going to highlight and copy the title of the offer. Just highlight and copy it. Once you download your image and then copy the title, what you have to do is that you have to come back on your website. Once you are on your website, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, just select it, content blog, select this one right here. Once you select it, you can see right here you are going to upload an image. So just click right here to upload an image. Once you click on it, you can see upload, select image. So we are going to click on upload. Once you click on upload, you are going to select the image of the offer, click on open. You can see it has been uploaded. Once that is done, you are going to paste the title of the offer right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to type a call to action right here. So type something like click here to get access now, something like this. click here to get access now. Once you have your call to action, the next step is that you are going to go back on CPA Grip so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you come back on CPA Grip, you are going to click right here, copy, so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you are going to come back, highlight your call to action. Once you highlight your call to action, you are going to click right here, insert link. Once you click on that, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. As you can see, that has been done. Click on apply, and you can see your call to action is now linked to your affiliate link. The next step is that you are going to select the image, click on insert link. Once you click on that, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. Click on apply. Once you have inserted your link, if your potential visitors click on the image or the call to action, they are going to be directed to the offer through your affiliate link, and once they complete the offer, you are going to be making money from home on CPA Grip. So now, once you have inserted your affiliate link, the next step is that you are going to paste the rest of the article. To paste the rest of the article, you are going to click right here, text box. Once you select text box, you are going to come back on your AI and then highlight the rest of the text. Just highlight the rest of the text. Once you highlight the rest of the text, copy it. Once you copy it, you are going to come back and then paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. Once you paste it, you are going to highlight and make all the points bold. Just highlight and make everything bold. Once you highlight and make all the points bold, you can see this is your affiliate link. So everything is now intact in the article. If you want, you can add another call to action right here. So what you have to do is that you have to come right here, content blocks, just select it, select the first one right. Once you select it, you are going to click right here, click on upload, so that you can upload the image of the offer. Once you click on this, select your image, click on open. You can see the image has been uploaded. The next step is that you are going to type the title of the offer right here. So you can just click on it and then paste the title of the offer right here. Once that is done, you are also going to type a call to action right here. So type something like, I want this. Type a call to action like this. Once you type your call to action, just highlight the text, click on insert link icon. Once you click on it, paste your link right here, click on apply. The next step is that you're also going to highlight the image, click on insert link icon. Once that is done, paste your link right here. Once you paste, click on apply, and you can see that has been done. You can see this is our article. You can see everything in the article. So now what we have to do is that we have to publish the article. To publish the article, just click right here, publish. Once you click on publish, you're going to enter a web address right here. So you can just type money blog. I think that is not available, so you can see money blog 111. It's still not available. 11. As you can see, that is available, money blog 111. Once that is available, you're going to click right here, publish, so that you can publish your article. As you can see, the article has been successfully published. You can click right here to view your article. As you can see, this is your article. It has been published. So now you have a blog post that you can share with anyone. You can see this is your call to action. So when people click on this link, they are going to be directed to the offer on CPA Grip. When they enter their details to win the $750, you are going to be paid $2.31 per every lead that you get. You can see the article. You can see the last call to action right here. So now what we are going to do is that we are going to drive traffic to this link so that we can get people in the United States to click on our link and then complete the offer for us to make money. The offer is allowed in the United States. So what you have to do is that you have to drive traffic from the United States so that you can get the right people to click on your link and then complete the offer for you to make money. The next step is that you're going to come on this website, linkiest.com. On this website, you can submit your website for free so that you can be getting traffic from the United States. You can see this article right here. It has been published today, and you can see the number of views right here, 369. This one got 117. When I scroll down, you can see this one got 180. You can see 585. You can see 54 views. You can see there are many articles on this platform. You can see this one has got 3.9k views, 3.9k views, 3.2k views, 3k views. You can see 2.6 views, 2.6k views. You can see 2.4k views. So a lot of different articles are getting many views on this website. So if you also submit your article on this website, you can also get many views. And the best part is that you are going to be getting traffic from the United States. You can see linkiest.com. As you can see on similar web, linkiest.com, the traffic is coming from the United States. When you scroll down, you can see right here 91.36% of the traffic is from the United States. So you are going to be getting the right people who will click on your link and then complete the offer for you to make money. So now what you have to do is that you have to get a link of your blog post. So you can just come back on your published website. Once you come back, you are going to click on this icon right here, copy published site link. Once you click on it, you can see this is the link of your website. So just click right here, copy link. Once you click on copy link, you're going to come back on linkyes.com. Once you come back, you can see right here, submit a link. Click on it. Once you click on submit a link, you can see title of the link, you can see link URL. So this is where you are going to paste the link of your article. So just paste it right here. Once you paste it, the next step is that you are going to type the title of your link right here. So you can come back on Google Bart and then copy the title of your article. Just highlight and copy it. Once you highlight and copy the title of your article, you are going to paste it right here. As you can see, that has been done. The next step is that you are going to select the category of your article. So just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see blogging, celebrities, conservatives, you can see crime, cryptocurrency, culture, Democrats. You can see a whole lot of different categories. So as I scroll down, you can see many categories. So any of the categories that best fit your article, you can select it and then post your article. In this case, we are talking about blogging, so you are going to select blogging. Once you select blogging, you are going to click right here, I am not a robot. Click on it. Once you click on it, it has been marked, so just click right here, submit link. Once you click on submit link, you can see link submitted. Thanks for submitting a link. It is currently awaiting approval. If you would like to submit another link, do so here. So you can keep on submitting many links onto this website. So now once our article has been submitted, it is going to be approved. Once it is approved, we are going to be getting free traffic from the United States, so that we can get the right people to click on our link and then complete the offer for us to make money. So make sure you go and take action so that you can be making money with this method. That is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.